If you like exploring historic cities, breathtaking cathedrals and picturesque streets, then there's a place on the Durham History Tour with your name on it. We'll begin this 2-hour tour by meeting at Durham Station, walking down to the marketplace before showing you the area of Elvet with its beautiful old town hall and Durham University's Brutalist Student Union. From there we'll cross the Kingsgate Bridge to Durham Cathedral and the Palace Green before heading back down to the marketplace where the tour ends. On this tour, you'll find out how the 3 feet tall Polish Count of Durham became a man of great local stature, why the bloody Battle of Neville's Cross took so long to find a winner, and the surprising discovery that founded the holy community of St Cuthbert. So if you want to explore Durham in all its glory, book your place on a Durham History Tour today at ilestours.co.uk. We look forward to welcoming you to this charming city.